All right, guys, we got a traffic stop with the motorcycle copper here. So here we go. Motorcycle cop pulled somebody over here in Hemet. So he's pulling off his gloves. They're from Nevada. Oh, he's gonna write a citation. So they're getting a citation for something. And see what's going on here in Hemet. Now, News Now Ohio did a video saying he was out of jail. Anybody know what happened to Ohio? I looked on his channel, I didn't see any videos for that. So I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, he did a video, said I'm out. I was like, dude, we didn't know you were in. So he's running the plate or the DL now. Got the ghetto bird up here. That's the ghetto bird here in the ghetto. And another helicopter flies over the air in the ghetto. In the ghetto. I'm on a selfie stick. My gimbal isn't starting. I don't know what the heck's going on there. I don't know if I burned out the battery or motor or what. And it won't recharge. I do pretty good with a selfie stick though. Let's bring it in a little so I get a little more stability with it. How's that? So, yeah. Here on Florida Avenue. Getting older, I can't hold this freaking thing steady. I used to have steady hands, man. My ears are plugged up. So I don't even know if I'm yelling or not. And, I don't know if you can read that, but Stater Brothers has seafood. You see it, you eat it. I like seafood. I see it, I eat it. Now Hemet does have, I believe Hemet only has one moto cop. So Kaipa doesn't have any moto cops. It's probably a good thing. The way people drive there, shoot. But a lot of traffic out here today in Hemet for a Friday. It's a nice sunny morning. They're really busy today, man, like crazy busy. So he's watching me. I'm kind of far away. And you know, that's the thing too, is when you're in law enforcement, I was certified, you guys know I was certified in Texas, right? And so you have to look at body language and attitudes too, and signs and signals. And so when you got a guy standing there with a camera on a selfie stick, and I'm just kind of standing at parade rest right now. You military guys don't know what that is. Relaxed parade rest. You know this guy's not gonna do anything. He's just standing there recording you. You see what I'm saying? So if the guy's standing there yelling at you or shouting or stepping forward, then yeah, okay, now body language and indicates some aggression or some attitude. But if a guy's just standing there recording you, and I'm not talking about any law enforcement agency in general or specifically, I'm talking generalities, because nationwide, from New York to California, Montana to Texas, and everywhere in between, we continually see officers telling camera people who are like 40 feet away, get back, go back farther for my safety. Like, dude, I'm like so far away, dude, it'd take me 20 minutes to catch up to you. You know? I'm not Tony Dorsett. I can't cover 40 yards in 4 seconds. Actually, he could probably run faster than that, huh? 40 yards in 4 seconds. Maybe, I don't know, 10 yards a second. But yeah, I'm not, you know, Jerry Rice or Tony Dorsett or any of those. I was trying to think of the Skittles man. I got this head cold, I can't think. Who's the Skittles guy? You football fans will know. Marshawn Lynch. Ha, I beat you to it. Marshawn Lynch. Yeah, I'm not Marshawn Lynch. I can't sprint across this sucker in 3 seconds. Wouldn't want to, but, you know. But yet, nationally, law enforcement continues to think that us camera guys, we come up, first thing we want to do is run at you. No. We're recording the incident. We're capturing the moment. That's all we want to do. You know? And if you act professional, you'll come out looking good. If you don't act professional, then, you know, it's like in LAPD when those 4 cops jumped out of the car like vatos from East LA and walked right up to the cameraman saying, "What are you doing?" And he was on the sidewalk. That was High Desert, by the way. He wasn't doing anything. He was just standing there recording, and they jumped out of that car like they were about to give him a beat down. I was like, whoa, whoa, slow your roll, professional. Ask him what he's doing first. So he's explaining to the driver what the offense was. It appears that way. I don't know what they're saying, but he's pointing and explaining. So he gave him a pink copy. And this lady wants to have a word with him. But the driver got their citation and they're off. Let's see what this lady's about. Oh, she must be asking for directions. There's a nice little trailer. Someone's on a vacation. Yeah, it's going to be vacation time here in about 2 weeks. People are going to start hitting the road. Kaipo will probably start getting the vacationers. We got that big lake out there. We've got Oak Glen. We've got Big Bear Mountain. Big Bear Lake. And the other lake I was talking about was the regional park. So it looks like he's giving directions or something. I'm gonna wait to go back to the helicopter. Look at this guy. License plate 4023 B-Boy 2. There you go. Well, you want to engage me, you'll end up in the video. All right, there goes Moto 1.
I just came from that way. I'm right here where I need to be.
Here's the RTA. Watch this, guys, watch. Look. Oh, shit, I was zoomed in. I don't know why I was zoomed in. All right, guys, thanks for watching.